1 million. 1 million.
Wow.
There you go. This is probably the most fulfilling aspect of my job, being able to see lives transform. I mean, if you ever asked about transformation, moving from living in your car to a house, isn't that transformation?
Absolutely. I was suffering, living into my brother's car, by sleeping in there, get up early morning and exit, and going late at night. He also moved my father out when he gave me that letter and asked him for permission to help me to get a house for me and my last daughter. The bigger one, she ended up having start bounce around at friends and all kind of people. So it wasn't an easy task for us. So we're very grateful of Minister Andrew Onis, our Prime Minister. We have this project going, and to all the team will make it possible.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you to the mighty God for following through with us, ensuring that everything went by smoothly. My situation was a bit different as opposed to my dad. I was actually bouncing around from friends' homes to relatives, and there were nights where I didn't even know who to turn to ask if I could crash there for a night or two. But I would like to thank them all for the support that they have given me throughout this journey. I'm fully grateful. I'm completely happy for the blessing that I currently have. It hasn't been a very easy journey. It's very difficult to worry about the next place where I can crash to sleep, or wondering if my dad is okay mentally or even physically. A situation like this could actually take a big toll on anybody. And protecting my mental health was very difficult in this process. However, in the Lord, I had faith, I had trust, and I just want to say thank you very much for the opportunity.
Alright, so you now have a house.
Thank you very much.
And you're going to now make a home.
Definitely.